Young Dizzle.
Hey y'all, it's Jimmy P and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit that bell button right next to it so notified when I upload all my videos. And of course, go follow me on all my social media at JIMIP_. Y'all know we lit on Instagram and Twitter, so make sure you go follow me on there. So today I'm bringing y'all a video, just another hairstyling video. I love just seeing my own growth of me slaying my hair or whatever, because we really used to be busted or whatever. But you know, I've been learning some new techniques that I apply in this video. So if y'all want to see how I styled my hair and all the specs and everything on where I got this wig from, make sure you continue watching this video. And of course, check the description box out down below. I will leave all the links to everything that you need, and also my code will be somewhere on the screen. Y'all know I got a discount code for y'all, period, and it'll be down in the description box as well. Okay, so if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Hey guys, so I'm going in first, of course, with some bleach. I'm going to go ahead and bleach my knots on my hair. It just makes the wig look a lot more seamless and a lot more natural, just because, you know, when in wigs come, sometimes they do need to be bleached. This one, in case, it definitely did need to be. So I just went in with some WD powder, and I went in with some 40 volume developer, and yeah, I put like to where the consistency was very like thick, like not drippy at all, because you don't want it to seep through. So make it thick so that you don't have the issue that I had, which you'll see in a second, where the bleach kind of got onto the actual hair. So you'll see me go in a second with some black hair dye to fix the over bleaching on the hair. So avoid this by, number one, keeping the hair away from the bleach as much as possible and not leaving it on there as long as I did. So just be aware of that, you guys. Oh, and I'm watching my girl Kyra, period. Alright y'all, so that is how it looks when it's bleached, and I went ahead and dyed it, so it's literally perfect. I think I did so good on the bleach this time, so I'm really proud of myself. I mean, after I messed it up, obviously, but that's besides the point, girl. So if you ever do mess up like that, just know to get some black hair dye and just go over it and run through it with a comb, and it'll be right back perfect. So now I'm just going in, of course, and plucking my my hair or whatever. So, you know, plucking out some baby hairs, plucking out the hairline to make it thinner, just to make it look more natural. I hate a super thick hairline. Now, of course, like I said, y'all, I'm not arrogant, so I'm still learning. I'm still trying to perfect it, but I definitely feel like I'm getting somewhere. I probably could have plucked it a little bit more, but honestly, I loved it. I thought it was so cute still. And yeah, one day I'm going to be able to get arrogant to do my hair, okay? Okay, so of course, y'all know, okay, your real hair is always the first thing you take care of. So before I even put my wig on, I go in with some hair growth oil and just oil my hair down, girl. So it just helps keep your hair healthy underneath of your wig. There's no point in having a wig on your head and not having your hair be nourished and growing underneath of it. So always oil your hair before you go ahead and put your wig on. I'm just putting my stocking cap on, and then I'm going to go ahead and use some Eco Styler gel to slick back my edges and everything. My edges are super crazy, super wild, so literally they be touching my eyebrows, girl, like what the heck. So I be needing some Eco Styler gel to really push that back and get it out of the way. That just helps with applying the wig and just making it look really seamless and flawless and lay super flat. And girl, it helps not pull your edges off, okay? And don't forget to get the back of your hair as well, okay? Because we need no BDBs hanging out. And then I just go in and blow dry it to get it a little harden it a little bit, just so that when I apply the wig, it's very nice and clean. Then I'm going to go in with my scissors and just go ahead and cut the lace off of the wig. I know some people do this after they glue it. I know some people that do it while it's on your head. I'm just not that. Y'all, I'm blind. So trying to do this while it's on my head is just like a disaster waiting to happen. So I do it while it's on the mannequin head, and it works for me. So just do what works for you and cut as close to the hairline as possible, and yeah, try to mimic your hairline as well. So just with applying this wig, it has so many straps and hooks on it and everything. It literally is like stuck to my head, so I really appreciate that from IShow. I'm just going in to make sure that everything is leveled out, and I'm really just loving this wig. Like, look at that scalp right there. You see that part? It's giving scalp realness. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in and glue this bad boy down. So I do my first layer of got to be glue, and I just I use that to harden the extra little hairs left out on my head or whatever, and then I go in with another layer to actually lay the actual wig down. So I do 2 layers of got to be glue. Some people like to do 1 layer. I like to do 2 because 1 layer protects my hair, and then the second layer is used to actually put the wig on my head. Does that make sense? I hope it does. Also, don't forget to use the blow dryer on cool. Heat does not cool it doesn't dry the glue, so always use cool, and always use a plastic item such as like a comb to lay it down, because your fingertips are warm and it won't glue properly. I hope that makes sense. Just don't use your hands and don't use any type of heat when you're gluing your wig. Okay, so now I'm going in and doing my baby hairs. Y'all know I love to use my foam to do my baby hairs, just because I hate using any type of edge control on wig baby hairs, or even like the actual got to be glue. I don't like to use that on my baby hairs either, because it just makes it really sticky, and then it has like this white residue left over, and I just hate it, girl. So I like to use the foam just to lay my baby hairs, and it works just as good, y'all. So I lay my baby hairs down, and I like swoop them, and then with the extra leftover hair I go ahead and cut that once it's already swooped. I know people cut it first, but for some reason that just never works for me, girl. So I'm not saying it's the right way or the best way, but it's the way that I do it that makes it a lot better and easier for me. So just to lay my baby hairs down and make them perfect, after I style them with the foam or whatever, I go in with the blow dryer just a little bit to make it a little like harden a little bit, and then I'll go in with my style wrap or whatever it's called, child, and I'll wrap that around just to lay it and make sure it's laid perfectly all day. Yes, girl, yes. Alright, y'all, so that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, IShow Hair, for sending me this gorgeous wig. Girl, y'all snapped, okay? Lace is so important when I'm doing my hair, because like I'm not arrogant out here, you know what I'm saying? But if I have a good lace, it's gonna make it so much easier for you to lay your wig. So yeah, thank you, IShow, because this lace was definitely my top 5, probably my top 5. Y'all did a good job, okay? Don't forget to check the description box out down below. Make sure y'all check that out. I have all the links for y'all, and my discount code will be on the screen and down below as well. Check me out on Instagram. I'll be uploading some pictures in this wig, showing y'all how I look cute or whatever. And yeah, thank y'all for watching this video. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in my next one.